What's up, Zilliqa holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Zilliqa. My friends, at this time, I'm present with the urgent news of Zilliqa, and get ready, get ready, my friends. Get ready for to the moon. We are going to the moon very soon, and now we are in the way of moon. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's see, my friends. First of all, we look the latest update, and after that, we discuss the next move of Zilliqa, my friends. You can see at this time the price of Zilliqa, the latest price of Zilliqa 0.133936 USD dollar is the currently price of Zilliqa. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in Zilliqa, so absolutely, my friends, I'm very happy when I see this update of the Zilliqa. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in Zilliqa. The whole changes is positive. Oh my goodness, that's really surprising news for me. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is open safe. Zilliqa is going positive. So this means that in the start of June, Zilliqa start pumping. And as I told you, my friends, in the previous videos, that Zilliqa will take a huge pump on the 1st June, and from the 1st June they start jumping, and now still they are in the jumping mode. So now I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, and they will give us good amount of profit in the future. But friends, you have to hold. If you hold, so you will get profit. If you sell, so you will not get any type of profit. Now the price chart you can see here, this time in the market. Absolutely, my friends, as I told you, from the 1st June you can see here, that is the 1st June they start moving upward, and now still they are in the jumping mode. So my friends, maybe in the future the price of Zilliqa is faster for a little time, but that does not mean that you decide to sell. Maybe in the future the price falls down for a little time, but that's not mean you decide to sell. No, you have to hold. If you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, nothing you will get. So at this time, my prediction about Zilliqa is 100% positive. I believe that now they are in the jumping mood, so they will continue this jump for a long time. Throughout this whole month, they will continue this kind of jump. Maybe falls down for a little time, but don't worry about that. It is a temporary falls. Falls down for 1 day, falls down for a few hours, and after this day, again take a jump. So don't decide to sell, hold and hold, because the whole chain is going in this time and Zilliqa is going positive. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.